Guess what, folks? Listen, today I'm finna keep it real simple. It's the holidays, and to be specific, we got Christmas coming up, right? And matter of fact, I think I'm gonna release this right here on Christmas Day. So with that being said, I just wanna say Merry Christmas to everybody out there, whether you follow on this channel or not. Now, I'm gonna show you guys just how easy it is to make. Look, this is just a peppermint hot chocolate. Super easy. We ain't always gotta come up with the cocoa powder and all of that. You know what I mean? I used to like that Nestle Quick when I was a kid. Yeah, it still works, you know what I mean? But show you how to make it on your own. Now, I want you guys to come by here and take a look at these ingredients, right? I'll just go ahead and start by here. Here, look, I'm gonna put them in, like some mason jars that I had. These are already cleaned and ready to go. We got whipped cream. Look, this right here is bittersweet chocolate, right? We got peppermint cane. I already crushed some of these down because we're gonna put this and sprinkle this on the top, for a little bit of garnish. You guys probably can't see what's inside of here right here, but this is that peppermint extract. Listen, it's smelling real holiday-ish right now. Then we got white granulated sugar, and then guess what? Milk. Oh, you know what? Before I say whatever I was getting ready to say that was so slick, look, and then we got marshmallows. Oh, look, the marshmallows and the peppermint, as far as the cane go, this is all just about, getting some kind of like garnish to make it look good. But with that being said, I'm not finna over talk it. I just want to say again, Merry Christmas everybody, and let's go. Okay, so look, we're gonna start off in the saucepan, right? So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna go ahead and get myself just like a low heat, and I'm gonna bring it up to, get it warm to like just a slight simmer. If you guys ever worked with milk before, you do this too fast, you know what'll happen. It's gonna mess up your sink. Mess up your counters if you're using a cooktop like this, or to mess up your stove, So just bring it up, take your time, be patient with it. And if I don't know if you guys can see it, I'll stand in front of it so you guys can see the flame. Look, just nice and low, right? You want to get yourself like a whisk. So I got that handy, and what I want to do is just bring it up. After I bring it up, then I'll show you what we do next. Okay, so I want you guys to take a look. It's just getting ready to start to simmer, right? You see the little bubbles coming up. I can see a little bit of the heat, coming up off of it. So look, I'm gonna go ahead and just stir it like that. And now we're gonna start introducing our chocolate. Actually, on this here, you can go ahead and add it all. And then look at it right there. You see how it just starts changing the color? Now I just keep it super low the way I have it, just like this. And just keep working it around till everything dissolves. Now you want to bring your white sugar and go ahead and add that. We want that to dissolve too. You should be able to smell it. Oh man, it smells good. After it's completely melted, it kind of like starting to, I almost want to say it like thickens up. It does. You can look at it and just see it's not as, it's not like milk anymore. Right, so then I add my extract. It don't take much. We just want to have a hint. Now, for those of you guys that love it to be like just over the top with chocolate, you can add more. But this right here is a nice little blend, and get you a couple of cups. Okay, so look, now I'm gonna go ahead and turn the fire off, right? And I want you guys to look at it. I like my chocolate to be a little bit on the thicker side like this. I don't know, hopefully I can get you guys to see it, or maybe you can see it when I do the pour. If you guys want it to be a little bit more on the, I guess just more like milky, like more like a liquid, I would just suggest you guys just add a couple of more, maybe like a tablespoon of milk, just to thin it out just a little bit. But this right here is it. And I'm already off, I turned my fire off, and now it's time to just go ahead and pour these in these glasses. All right, y'all, now it's time to drink. So listen, I'm using mason jars. You guys can use those, your holiday festivities, however you want to do it, but this is how we're gonna get down right here. Now I want you to check this out. So we just go ahead and pour this in here like this. Look at that right there. Now that's hot chocolate, folks. All right, and then for a little whipped cream. And then we sprinkle a little peppermint up here, on the top. And you can make these and put these out, especially, when you got your kids, grandkids, brothers, sisters. Hey, look, the mamas and daddies too, though. Everybody got to get some. You put these out, and this is wake everybody up, get everybody going, especially on Christmas Day. Okay, so look, you guys get a chance to see it. Look, the presentation is right. It doesn't matter what your skill set is. Look, we just filling up mugs, jars, however you want to do it. You just fill them up to about at least leave 1 inch from the top, right? Hit it with a little Miracle Whip, and then you see how we crush this right here. Just crush that, sprinkle that over the top of that, and it'll give you great, presentation. Now, with that being said, listen, I gotta say this again, you guys. Hey, thank you for supporting, Smoking and Grilling with AB, for all of this time. Even if you're new, I just want to say thank you. Happy holidays, and to be specific, Merry Christmas. Now, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, smash that subscribe button, and tell everybody out there there's a channel out here that's simplifying these recipes and taking the mystery out of cooking. Whew. I'm starting to choke up because we finna drink, folks. Cheers, and I'm out. Peace.